Hello everyone. So first
Hindi
fit
nga ako
check.
pumasok, tapos nagkita kami ni Ma'am Nabi.
Fit check. Fit check. Fit check.
Nagano kami
First
ng
we
tricycle
have
sa bayan.
this
Parang nakabi ko, parang
skirt.
narinig kong buwi si Sir Bado yun, si Sir Eric.
And then
Eric
a white t-shirt and a black jacket. I really like this jacket. I take it off because it's not that cold. But I'm sick. I'm very sick. I don't look sick. Also, I found a new hairdo. I like this hairline, by the way. Hey, let's do a haul. First, the essential things. 23, 24, 23. Okay, so I don't know. It's shoes. Shoes. Okay. Backwards. Thank you, Uncle Tim. Wow. This is, I don't know, it's Barbie. It's light. So I wanted Ollie one. It was peachy goldish with silver. But my aunt kind of broke the thingy, like the lace. It kind of broke. But it fits so well. I wanted that one so bad. I really like that. But before that, that was the first one. I saw this like shoe. It was like modern color, like neutral colors, like dark purple, magenta, beige, dark brown. It was so pretty, but it looks too big on me. It fits perfectly, but a bit of allowance. But the problem is it looks too big on me. So yeah. Thank you for Barbie. Now this one. Thank you, Auntie Joy. I'm so excited right now. Let's open it. This is what she looks like, my girl. She also has this little. I really like how she's already a barb. She's still a baby, but she has a purple strand on her hair. And I could not. I have brown strands though because I tried it. How did I take this thing? First, let's take her off. Woo! Let's take off the thingy. I will name you. What is your name, baby? I don't know what to name her. Put in the comments. Yeah, please. I need please. She's so pretty. She has more luscious hair. Hold up. Okay, she also has this thing. Can you take this off? So I don't really know how to do that. Sit right here. Do you know how to sit? Really? Oh, she knows how to sit, guys. I love a dog who sits. Stay. I'm just gonna leave and make the uploads. Okay, this is her accessories. She has a face mask. Can I wet this? Can I wet this? That's my literal. Do I put water? I think you have to put water. Color her nails. That is adorable. How do I? And a little brush. That's all. My hair is not. Okay, I'm gonna not name her. I don't know what to name her. Here. So I'm gonna go see. Color reveal. Oh, I love that. I love color reveals. Girl, stay up. She wants to sleep. But she's it's hard to like. That is so pretty.
Name her Cindy.
Why? Why Cindy? I don't know. Huh?
Peachy.
Peachy. Why peachy? Star. Kasi meron siyang ano dito.
Ano na, bubukas na ako ng pilig.
Oh, you put cold water here and it reveals makeup. And if you put cold water in this thingy, you can, that is so nice. Okay. I'm gonna go put the box. Hello! Anyways, goodbye. RP to my first baby alive ever.
Picture ka